Ready? Start. The petitioner's father, late Sri Munna Lal Khanna, was serving as Daftari in Union Bank of India inside the bank, Station Road, branch Mirzapur stop. He expired on 26/11/1996, while on duty stop. Srimati Sheila Khanna, the widow of the deceased employee, made a representation to the bank on 3/12/1996, nominating her son, the petitioner, Rajiv Kumar Khanna, for appointment under the scheme of appointment on compassionate grounds. Stop. In this representation, she clearly stated that she is unable to join the service of the bank for the reasons of her illness. Stop. The deputy manager of the bank informed her, while later dated 21/12/1997, that the request of Sri Rajiv Khanna for compassionate appointment has been declined by the competent authority. Stop. Srimati Sheila Khanna once again made a request to the general manager personnel of the bank for appointment of her son on compassionate grounds. Stop. In this updated application, she gave the details of the service benefits received by her husband and admitted that she has received a total amount of rupees 2,72,614 towards gratuity, provident fund, DRF fund, family welfare scheme, group insurance, leave enhancement, and is receiving rupees 3,200 as pension from the bank. Stop. She, however, stated that her daughter got married at Lucknow, in which she had spent rupees 3,20,000. Stop. She had taken rupees 20,000 as loan, after which the family condition of the family had deteriorated. Stop. She sent reminders on 22/3/2001 and 6/6/2001. Stop. The bank, again by the communication dated 11/1/2002 to the petitioner, turned down the request. Stop. The senior manager informed the petitioner that the compassionate appointment is granted to the dependents of the deceased employee to enable the family to tide over sudden crisis. Stop. Such an appointment cannot be claimed after the crisis is over. Stop. The bank regretted its ability to consider his request and advised the petitioner not to enter into any further correspondence on the subject in future. Stop. On 8/4/2002, the petitioner's mother, Srimati Sheila Khanna, received a letter from the chief manager Karmik of the bank in response to her letter to a special secretary, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, dated 5/2/2002. Stop. Stating that the compassionate appointment is given only when family is in a state of poverty and has no source of income. Stop. Since the monthly income of the family is sufficient, the competent authority had rejected her application. Stop. He further stated in the reply, that the compassionate appointment is offered only to tide over immediate financial crisis, and once the crisis is over, the claim cannot be entertained. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the entire approach of the bank is erroneous. Stop. The petitioner was pursuing his request for compassionate appointment since 1997. Stop. The request must be considered with reference to the amounts received by the heirs of the deceased employee. Stop. He submits that the amounts like gratuity, provident fund have no relevance in determining the question of compassionate appointment, and in any case the liabilities in the present case were more than the amount received by the family.